I love tables inside Excel, but here's a bonus feature you might not know about, which comes with formatting your data as a table. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. Here I am inside Excel. I'll go Control-T to select my data and make it a table. From the Table Design ribbon, we can give that table a name. I'll call this one Salespeople. Just remember there's no spaces in a named range. Let's do it again. Click inside your data, Control-T, click OK. From the Table Design ribbon, write in your table name up here. Press Enter. So now you can use those table names to navigate. To quickly get back to those previous tables, click on the drop down here and you can jump straight to that data. Using these named ranges to help you navigate quickly is a real plus. If you enjoyed this tip, join our newsletter for more tips and tricks across Microsoft 365 and Copilot.